Hi friends, myself V. Venkat Chaudhary. Here I want to explain power of point theorem. This theorem is mainly useful in three cases. Case 1, when point is external such that two secants are drawn to it. And case 2, when point is external such that one tangent and one secant are drawn through the point. And case 3, in case 3, a circle one point is internal such that two secants are drawn through it. Using all these, I want to prove all these three cases. Before getting into the discussion, I want to explain one note. If two angles subtend same arc length, if these two angles subtend same arc length, then these two angles are equal. If this, I want to remind again, if these two angles sustain same arc length, then these two angles are equal. Case 1, here the point is external, point name it as P, and two secants are drawn to it. Name this point as A and this point as B, this point as A dash and this point as B dash. If you observe that, join these two points A B dash and B A dash. Now here we get two triangles P A B dash and P B A dash. Those triangles are P A B dash and P A dash B. If you observe that, angle P is common in both triangles. Angle P is common angle. And as I said before, and as said the note, if these two angles subtend the same arc A dash, so these two angles are equal, as I said before. So angle PB A dash is equal to angle P A dash P angle is equal to angle P B dash A. So here we can write by A criterion, these two triangle P A B dash is similar to triangle P A dash B. So by taking the sides ratio constant, we can write PA by PA dash is equal to PB dash by PB. Therefore, we can write this as PA into PB equal to PA dash into PB dash. This is what we get in power of point theorem. Now, I want to explain case 2. Here, consider a circle and a point P external such that a tangent is drawn and a secant is drawn. Name this point as C, it has A and it has B. Join these 2 points and join CA also. Here also we get 2 triangles, PCA and PCB. Triangle PCA and triangle PCB. If you observe that angle P is common angle. Angle P is common angle. And here this angle, consider this angle as alpha, cuts the arc length CA. Here this angle cuts the arc CA, and if you observe that this angle too cuts the same arc length. This angle alpha also cuts the same arc length. So by this we can say that angle PCA is equal to angle PBC. You can write angle PBC. So we have proved that triangle PCA is similar to by AA criterion, angle criterion, we proved triangle PCA is similar to triangle PBC. By taking the sides ratio constant, we can write PC by PB equal to PA by PC. Therefore, we get PA into PB equal to PC square. Now I want to explain case 3. In case 3, consider a circle. The point P is internal such that 2 secants are drawn to it, AB and A dash B dash. Join AB dash and A dash B dash. If you observe, there are 2 triangles PAB dash and PA dash B. If you observe that these 2 triangles are equal, these 2 angles are equal because these 2 angles are vertically opposite angles. So angle BPA dash, triangle PAB dash and triangle PA dash B. Here angle APB dash is equal to angle A dash PB because vertically opposite angles. And if you observe that this angle cuts the arc BB dash and this angle also cuts the arc BB dash. Therefore, B A dash P is equal to angle P A dash P is equal to angle B dash A P. So, by A criterion we have proved. So by A criterion we have proved triangle PA B dash is similar to triangle PA dash B. In these 2 triangles we can write, by taking the sides ratio constant, PA by PA dash is equal to PB dash by PB. So we can write it as PA into PB equal to PA dash into PB dash. By taking all these 3 cases as summary, I want to give the summary of power of point theorem. Summary. I want to give summary of power of point theorem. Consider this to be a circle, and this to be external point B, such that PA is tangent and infinite lines are drawn to P, and the last line is tangent. We call it as AM. This points as AB, A1, B1, A2, B2. If you write the summary of this power of point theorem, we can get P A square is equal to PA1 into PB1 equal to PA2 into PB2 equal to, after so much, we get PAN square. From this theorem, we have proved that from an external point P, the lengths of two tangents are equal.